I give you my hat right now, you put it on?
Yeah.
I would.
Oh, actually.
It's not that gross.
All right. Introducing the latest project to roll through the Street Race Solutions workshop roller door is a 90s JDM turbo all-wheel drive icon, I might say. And a lot of you are probably thinking, oh, it's an Evo. And you're pretty close. You're pretty close, it is an Evo. Crammed into a van. Wagon thing. Station wagon van. Sports van wagon. Sports wagon. Sports wagon? Sports van?
Sports wagon.
Sports van? Would you call it a sports van? Give you a the full picture, you know. So this is a 1997 Mitsubishi RVR Hyper Sports Gear R. Right? So this is what you get when you leave the Mitsubishi engineers on their own on a Friday night, and they've just been hanging out around a couple good boys that work. They've been hanging out, you know, they've been down the bar, they've had a good time, and they're like, we should go back and we should cram all those spare Evo drive lines we've got into all those vans that we've got and put a big front bar on it. And then they were all like, hell yeah, let's do it. And they went and did it. And they were like, should we put a wing on the back? And they're like, should we put 2 wings on the back? This is my new daily, actually, is what it is. It's a 1997 Mitsubishi RVR Hyper Sports Gear R. So it's the running gear of an Evo 3. So it's a 4G63 turbo all-wheel drive. This one's actually an auto. I'm in 2 minds as to whether I manual swap it or if I get one of the local boys here to do a valve body job for me and put a ratchet shifter on the auto. That'd also be pretty cool. I'm thinking I might do that because I only want to make like 400 horsepower with it. So I think the auto would be able to do it. So it'd be pretty cool. Like 400 horsepower auto would make it pretty fast, and it'd surprise a lot of people. So, but I don't know yet. At the moment, I'm just going to whip it round. You know, picking up chicks, not chicks. Picking up blokes.
Is the mirror on the bonnet actually useful?
No, it's no good for me. I can't see anything. Big front bar. This is actually 5-star NCAP rating. This big squishy. You could take on an F250 with this and you'd win. Headlights come as standard. That's nice. Oh, the backs. Yeah, come with me. Oh, well, I didn't really. There's a 4G63 turbo under here. Should I show them that first before we? Just so they know I'm not lying, you know. They'll be like, oh, he's lying. Oh, NASA actually built it too, right? They partnered with NASA because this thing's so fast. And it just, took off one day and they were like, geez, can we borrow that for our rockets? And so they did. Double overhead cam, 16 valve, 4G63, turbo down there, you see it? It's down there, little baby boy. Brand new battery. Yep, that's that. That's the, yep. Then we come in here, right? Look at this. Move my AA batteries. See this? Recaro. Factory Recaros. Wowzers. Fishnet Recaros, I believe they're called. Pretty valuable, so I'm told. So if you want to swing me an offer, I'll sell them to you. Don't think I won't, because... How much do you reckon you'd get for them? 2.5 grand? Oh, I'm selling them. Yeah. What's that made? Head unit on the inside, we got the white cluster, goes all the way to 180. It'd do it too, for sure. Let me figure out how to open this, I always forget. So it's a 3-door, right? And obviously this one's a sliding door, so that you can get in the back, right? And I know you're thinking,
gee, this can't get any cooler.
Let me just get in here. Compartment number 1. Look at all that room. You could put your snacks in there, right? Compartment number 2, and you're like, oh, that's pretty useless, isn't it? Fold up cup holder. And then, when you think it's done, boom, another compartment. Now that your minds are truly blown, I hope you're sitting down, okay? Grab this, ready? It's a bed, right? And then you get in here. Oh, you put this side down. You put this side down. Let it go. And you go to sleep. My headlining looks like it's been attacked by a cat. When you've had a big weekend chopping, you know, and then you need a nap, you just, you know, it's pretty. I'm 6'2" and I fit pretty well. Yeah, It's a proper Matsuri rig. And then they also fold the other way so that you've got like a cargo compartment. They fold all the way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's kind of a big deal. You want to buy it? He unclips and it swings out. Look at that. Double wing. You like that? Up she goes. There's some stuff in the back there. Don't worry about that. Tow ball. Hook the caravan on. Or the snowball. The horse float. Well, you're going racing, so...
You racing horses?
Could be. I'd beat them too. They wouldn't know what to hit them. Me, I'm the one that hit him. So there you go. There you go. That's the rig rundown. It's the rig rundown. How much power? Loads. I think it's advertised at 220 horsepower from the factory. But I'm going to run it up. I'll put it. Don't you worry. I'll bolt it up to the dyno. I'll let you know. Maybe not this episode. Well, definitely not this episode. Maybe next episode. I'll bolt it up to the 4-drive hub dyno and we'll run it up. We'll see how much it makes. And then we can do a then and now later when it's doing skids and stuff. Eventually I'll paint it. For now I'm not going to bother because it's not bad. Maybe red.
Confirmed.
I brought both. There's always one.
Watch my fresh painted concrete, mate. Actually, he probably just gave me a bit of grip in that section. George said your car looks like the one that Homer Simpson made.
Dog. I'm going to have to pull up a photo of him. The one he drew? I don't really see the resemblance.
It's got the same bod.
Put it in the comments below.
Get it up! Yeah! Get it out of here.
Just a couple of fat boys walking in, eh? Well, yell if you're fat. What'd you say? Got them. These tyres let themselves down. That's how good they are. Self-deflating tyres.
Great for sand driving.
I'd drive it to Perth tomorrow. Feels so great.
George, you been busy?
Yeah, I'm being busy. It's been a big day.
It's been a big day.
You call Monday the biggest day?
The biggest. That's been the biggest day of my whole entire week. Mondays. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I don't like them.
Don't like them?
No. Do you know why I don't like them?
Why?
Because it's Mondays. Do you know why I don't like the Mondays?
Why?
Because it's the first day of the week. Do you know why I don't like the first day of the week?
Why's that?
Because I'm still getting in the gist of things. I'm still on weekend mode. Do you know why I'm still on weekend mode?
Why still on weekend mode?
Because it's the first day of the week. It's still Monday.
Yeah. Isn't Sunday the first day of the week?
No. When? Since when? When do you start your week?
Since the beginning of time.
When do you start your week?
On a Sunday?
No, you don't.
Yeah.
You do not.
Yeah.
Sam, when do you start your week? When does your week start?
No, you're both wrong.
Well, you're not wrong. He reckons it starts on Sunday.
Well, the week starts on Sunday, but everybody's week doesn't start till Monday.
Monday.
It is Sunday to Saturday, but the week starts on Monday. Sunday's not the start of the week.
No, it's
Sunday's
not.
still the end of the week.
Yeah, it is. It's the end of the week.
Yeah, you've just confused him.
No, he's not
I'm
confused.
on board.
Gross.
Look at that jargon. So much jargon. Banga, 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 banga. Yeah, you would be a little pussy.
You got both hands.
Come to the rod, bro. You laughing at us?
Yeah.
Why? What did we do? What's so funny?
Back to flat boys.
Brum, brum.
So they don't get Wayne in it.
George have track flap out of Pittsworth.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure.
For short. So on this car, George, this car, and everyone watching, we've decided to colour match it with the post.
Safety first.
Safety first, you won't hit it. If you want to come look at the hole in the bonnet, George, and everyone watching, see this little hole? I cut that hole out. Do you know why I cut that hole out? To put a I don't want to say the word because my friends will laugh at me. I'm just going to tell them, it's obviously not on the car right now because everything's being pulled off to go to powder coating, but I don't know if yous have all built an Evo, but there's not much room up the front once you start going. We're going to go through the bonnet. We were going to go through, not the vent first to start with, we're going to go through the bonnet. I'm just going to show you. So where you think there would be no ribs, underneath is actually a rib. And where there is no rib on the flat bit, there's a rib. So it really just messed with our idea. So we decided we're just going to put it through the vent. A screamer fight with hood exit out this little carbon vent here, teardropped it and whatnot, and George has B-roll, and I hope you've had a great day. It's an evolution. This is the evolution. The next one, the red Evo that we're doing, I want to do them both out the bonnet, exhaust and screamer pipe. I've had a few people tell me, what about the weather? What about the rain, right? So, about the rain. You know, little truck flaps. Bub, 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 bub. We're just going to put a truck flap on it. This is a flap, this is a screamer. Scream. Scream. Like that. Scream, scream. It sounds like Tyson in his tow truck. For the GTR. The Purple GTR.
So is that part of it?
RB 26 intake, yes, ute. Red boy.
You're a bit high.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, put it on the stand first because you won't get your.
Down. Oh, shit, mate. I gotta move. I'm trying to work here, mate.
Put it down.
I'll put it down.
Put you down.
Put you up.
Swivel him right around, mate.
Can't swivel in. She's hooking.
I see what's wrong with it. The seats are in the wrong side. Cool.
I am not, does it look like I'm dressed to suit that attire in there? That's a safety hazard if I go in there. Danny!
Daniel!
What are you doing in here?
You need to get out of here, mate. You
No,
don't
see,
have correct
look,
PPE.
I'll be back next week.
Alright. There's a spare seat over there, Johnny. You should jump in it.
You're not going to jump in? Nah.
Yeah, just put your appropriate stuff on.
Is this okay? Hey, Johnny,
Yes, Daniel.
what are you doing in here?
Cleaning.
George, how do you want me to tease this? Ah, it's started bleeding. Huh? What? Yep. I hope you like this video. How? I tell ya, but that's got to wait till next week. Music back up. Bye.
'90s Japanese icon in the GTR.
You got a key?
Hey, I got a key. You need a key?
Oh yeah.
I got a key. Just come from Colombia.
Columbia.
Yeah.
Key Columbia.
Colombia.
Living.
What do I deliver?
Okay.
What do you want? What y'all need?
Oh, Sam needs an Allen key.
I've got one.
Oh.
I come in with the key.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I've got it right here.
Oh. Key
What
to,
else does he need?
key to what?
Is that number 5? Huh? That's what I need.
Hmm?
So I'm going to head off with what I need. Goodbye.
Bye now.
Bye now. Where's all the jargon? It's one thing we know what to do, and that's make it buzz.
What about stop?
Vroom. Why would you stop?
Why would you stop?
Tell me something I don't know.
He's in there in the cold when he's got aircon.
We'll have a word with him. Oh, feel that.
Oh, it's a bit chilly.
I heard you're concerned about fumes, bro.
What?
I heard you're concerned about fumes.
Yeah.
Why?
Because
What fumes?
gets stinky in here.
It's not stinky in
No, but
here.
it does.
But you could have that aircon going and you could be warm and George's
I'm
fingers.
already warm.
Why? How are you so warm?
I'm not because
Well,
I'm
you've been to
allergic.
Sydney once and you're like, fucking, I'm fucking sweating.
And if you close the door and turn the aircon on, all the oils and brake cleans and shit.
Oh, does it seem to circulate?
It just stays
does
in here, it doesn't
So
leave.
you think they put a window in?
Well, we need to put a vent in the roof.
Well,
Or with that.
no.
I need a vent.
We can put a vent in. George, can we put a vent in?
Yeah.
Sweet. George said we can put a vent in.
Thanks, George.
Okay.
We are
Got
so
it?
lucky to have you here.
George is always looking out for everything.
No, George is just next door complaining.
What?
I'm like, he's out. He's working away in the cold when he doesn't have to.
Complaining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So George, you know the only reason George wanted the heater on, so George could stand in here and be warm.
Yeah, I know. No, I understand that. But he's also complaining.
Yeah. I was
Because
complaining.
honestly, if I could bring my fucking car in here and pull it apart with a heater on, I would.
Yeah, but it just gets so smelly. Yeah.
I've never been anywhere that's smelly.
And then you're like, and then you walk, you don't think it's that bad, and you walk outside into the fresh air, and it's like, holy.
I'm contaminated,
Yeah,
man.
I've been giving myself level 3 carcinogens for the last.
Oh.
Daniel's been there.
Yeah, I have.